ठीक है।
There, you
Yes, Abhilash sir, आगे. So Abhilash sir, good morning. I'm making you the co-host.
Good morning. Sanjay bhai, can you hear me?
Yeah, now I can hear you because all other participants are muted, so we can unmute ourselves. Good morning. How are you? How are you?
Good morning. I'm fine. Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm in my hometown, Lucknow today.
Okay. So there's a special sense of smile and nostalgia that's there.
Yes, of course. I grew up here. Yes, yes, absolutely.
Right. So, sir, we have quite a number of participants joining in, okay, to listen to us. And I always say at the beginning of my session that we got to create a positive net present value, okay, for all these participants who have joined. These participants are generally, I think, SSCI students, so they may be fully aware of me. A short introduction from your side and just opening up the webinar will really help a lot, sir. Please.
Thank you, Mr. Saraf. Thank you so much. Good morning, everybody. A warm welcome to you, and it's such a pleasure to be part of this interaction today. Thank you, Sanjay ji, and also SSCI for bringing this collaboration together on behalf of National Stock Exchange and especially NSE Academy. I'm very happy and proud to be kicking off this unique partnership, which brings in the best of cutting edge learning in the capital markets for students and the community in general. About me, I had the business at NSE Academy, but I have close to 30 years experience, out of which mostly into banking, capital markets, and financial services. Of course, my undergrad is hospitality. So you'd be wondering what is this person who's had an undergrad in hospitality doing in education services and then banking and financial services earlier. So that's a journey that I really enjoyed. So a few years into hospitality, then into banking and financial services. And over the years had the fortunate opportunity to work with some wonderful colleagues and some gifted mentors who have guided me all the way to where I am today. And it's always a privilege to come back and share experiences with the community. And more than anything else, I am also here to learn from you as to how do you see the future as you embark on your career today. So it's very heartening to see young professionals looking at banking, capital markets, and financial services as an opportunity to create careers and also not only personal wealth creation, but also prosperity for their clients and investors also. So such a pleasure to be here. Thank you so much for inviting me, Dr. Saraf.
Sure. So good morning, all of you. Myself, Sanjay Saraf sir, announcing the launch of SSCI Markets, which is a formal entry of SSCI into integrating financial education with none other than NSE. I feel extremely privileged and humbled. And I remember those days in which I was into my graduation years. And there I had an uncle who told me कि कुछ भी करना पर share market में कभी मत जाना. Never enter the markets. ये एक gambling है, जुआ है. And this is the type of image that had been built, okay, in certain pockets of our society regarding markets, not understanding that markets are the forum where savers and investors, they participate for the purpose of raising capital, which is so much required for future growth, prosperity of our country. I have seen, especially over the last 4-5 years, the rapid pace at which the inclusiveness of students, inclusiveness of general people into the markets. Gone are the days where people used to just put their money into fixed deposit, into banks. People do understand that markets are a value creating vehicle provided you are educated. If you are not educated and if you are just doing some investment or trading based on rumors and you don't know your risk capital, you don't know your passions, in that case, obviously, there could be surprises which can hurt you mentally, hurt you emotionally, hurt you financially. But if you are educated in the true sense, in that case, you will find that markets could be a game changer for you, for your family, for your country, for your society, okay, for the entire mankind. So I believe there's a strong connect between the real economy and the financial economy. And hats off to NSE Academy and Abhilash sir, the type of effort that you all are doing in terms of bringing about more and more financial education. I feel that we as SSEI markets would be able to contribute to some extent towards your ever fulfilling role. Okay. Over the past 20 years, I have been as an educationist teaching courses like CA, CFA, FRM, and many other courses like CSCWA. However, in this lockdown period, I especially found the time wherein I thought that actually education is about three things. Number one, experience. Number two, intellectualization. Number three, articulation. एक्सपीरियंस क्या एक्चुअली मेरे को मार्केट्स के बारे में आता है, नॉट बुक्स, पर एक्चुअली बाजार के बारे में आता है क्या, क्या मैंने ट्रेड किया है, क्या मैंने इन्वेस्ट किया है, अगर वो किया भी है तो क्या मैं उसको इंटेलेक्चुअलाइज कर सकता हूं क्या, कैन आई ट्रांसलेट दैट, एंड नंबर थ्री, क्या मेरे में आर्टिकुलेशन का स्किल्स है क्या. आई फील एसएससीआई मार्केट्स ब्रिंग्स इन अ टीम वेयर ये तीनों चीज सेटिस्फाइड है कि हम लोग एक्सपीरियंस्ड है, वी आर डूइंग ट्रेडिंग एंड इन्वेस्टमेंट, हम लोग इंटेलेक्चुअलाइज कर सकते हैं और आर्टिकुलेशन के बारे में तो हम लोग स्पेशलाइज करते हैं. ठीक है. सो फार एज टीचिंग दैट स्टफ इज कंसर्न्ड, वी आर वेरी very aggressive and very optimistic regarding the type of courses that will be floated by SSCI markets in partnership with NSE Academy under their able guidance, and under the fact that we will be able to move away, I should not say away, move in addition to the students community, the general traders community, investment community, our products will be reaching to them also. So that's the main reason why we have joined. Okay. To begin with, the products that we have are basic visual trading charts. Okay. A basic visual trading course which covers everything, whether it is risk management, whether it's money management, whether it is support, resistance, multi-time frame analysis. Everything is captured. It is said by a technical analyst that reasons मत देखो, क्या हो रहा है बाजार में वो देखो, anticipate करो, stop losses कैसे लगाओ, target कैसे set करो और discipline कैसे लाओ. Then we have advanced visual trading कि जिनको थोड़ा सा और level ऊपर जाना है उनके लिए advanced visual trading. We have F&O simplified, okay, which is the basic course in futures and options for beginners, and we have the main grand course DERPO, derivative portfolio trading. Okay, it is a course that I specifically undertake, which is for advanced futures and options trading, and it is actually starting live from 12th of March. Okay, so these are the 4 courses. But sir, Abhilash sir, maybe I don't know our team shared with you or not that our objective also, or in our radar, is to bring vernacular courses in Bengali, courses in Gujarati, courses in local language. Because when I see, for example, when you talk about Lucknow is the heartland where we find that such calibered people originate. Okay, जिनमें वो जो अपने हिंदुस्तान में जो मेन अंदर में जो कैलिबर होता है ना, वो मेरे को लखनऊ, कानपुर ये सब में मिला है. मैंने चाय पीते हुए कानपुर में, and with a particular student of mine, she's a female, and she's doing what splendid portfolio management work over there. Okay, so I just happen to remember. उसी तरह गुजरात में, बंगाल में इतने सारे जेम्स छिपे हुए ना, ये बच्चे जो बच्चे दिखते हैं पर इनमें जो पैशन है, मतलब you will be surprised 1 year from now कि इनमें से कितने जेम्स खुलेंगे और जो खुद के लिए, फैमिली के लिए, सोसाइटी के लिए, एनएससी के लिए बने एक नाम कर गुजरेंगे. ये मेरा विशेस है, ये मेरी ब्लेसिंग्स है, और आपकी भी ब्लेसिंग्स और विशेस इसी तरह की चाहिए सर कि हम लोग इतना कर पाए इन सब के लिए.
Thank you. Such a pleasure. In fact, आपने बिल्कुल सही बोला. Understanding markets is about discipline, managing risk. Well, everybody looks at upside. People fail to recognize that there's a downside also if they don't manage the risk properly. If you cannot totally eliminate the risk, but if you understand the risk, you're able to manage it better. And as you rightly said, talent is abundant in India. A language should not be a hindrance or a bottleneck. आप देखिए आज के देश में हमारे जितने कंपटीशन एग्जाम्स होते हैं, जितने भी हमारे डॉक्टर्स, इंजीनियर्स, लॉयर्स, सिविल सर्वेंट्स आ रहे हैं, वो देश के कोने कोने से आ रहे हैं. इवन इफ यू सी the recent mission on Mars, so many young people and senior colleagues from India have gone out, and they're from small towns. If you read the morning newspaper today, I'm very happy to say a young professional from Lucknow, she's part of the Mars mission, and she graduated 10-15 years back from a college in Lucknow. So you rightly said, language should not be a restriction. As long as they understand the fundamentals, they're able to have a discipline, manage risks. I think they're doing a great job for themselves and also for the community in general. So very happy to know about this, and we can always explore how to work together, taking this to the masses and the corners of the country also.
Yeah, and further to add, basically when I combine academics with markets, which many students are not able to combine, I see that there is a very, very urgent requirement to bring a lot of statistical and quants modeling into the analysis of markets. So whether it is the use of AI, ML, whether the use of so many techniques that can be used, time series modeling, for the purpose of trying to see, nobody can forecast the markets, that's for 100% sure. But everybody has to have some tool for the purpose of making a calculated guess, if I may say so. So we have in Radar bringing the courses on Python, bringing the courses on AI, ML into our portfolio, bringing courses on fundamental research into our portfolio. And we are beginning with only 4 courses, but there's a huge gamut of products that is in my mind. And we will be discussing you one-to-one a number of suggestions regarding what you have to offer based on other partnerships that you have. What are the products that are actually lacking, where you feel that they should have been there?
I totally resonate with that thought process, Sanjay ji. In fact, our sister concern, Talent Sprint, which we made a recent acquisition with, specializes into deep tech and future tech learning. At a point in time, we'll be very happy to discuss how to bring in the future technology for capital markets also, and plug into some of their experience and wisdom in this space, and create courses for students at SSCI also. And as you know, you are already partnered with us, and the NSE Smart Training Simulator is available to students, which is again a unique proposition in the marketplace. Students get real-time access to data, and the way to create portfolios and strategies, which I think that real experience is very, very important. They get to do mock trading, with virtual currency, and they can trade in various asset classes. I think it's a great step forward as we discover more interest from learners, and it's a learning for all of us. I think the community that is present on the call today, they are the ones who are guiding us, because they are looking at future very, very enthusiastically. It's a younger generation. If you see the Times of India morning today, there's a large article which says most of the entrants in the capital markets in last 1 year are of a younger age, which shows clearly a lot of interest from the younger community, at college and university level, and who are looking at capital markets as a way not only for enhancement of their career, but also for personal wealth creation also. So very happy to discuss further.
Perfect. So SSCI Markets is the new wing that we have opened for the purpose of this partnership. And as Abhilasha pointed out, that the virtual trading platform that NSE offers, that's brilliant, because we always tell to our students that पहले जानो, उसके बाद पैसे लगाओ. जानने के समय पे पैसे मत लगाओ बाजार में, ठीक है? We should learn, and we should learn deeply. और उसके लिए पहले के जमाने में पहले होता था ना, you maintain a log book on your diary कि कितने अमाउंट आपने इन्वेस्ट किया, कौन सा ट्रेड किया. बट अब आपके पास तो NSE का वर्चुअल ट्रेडिंग प्लेटफॉर्म है, ओके, जो SSCI मार्केट्स पे भी अवेलेबल रहेगा, एंड उसके बेसिस पे यू कैन इजीली check your strategies, evaluate yourself. मतलब वो जो शीशे के सामने अपने आप को खड़े करके देखना कि मैंने ये सोचा था, ये हुआ क्या, मेरा कहाँ गलत डिसीजन था. तो brilliant platform, real time data, currency, commodity, everything feed in. Okay, that's coming from the NSE platform. So it's good that I missed it out. You mentioned the same, and students will really benefit as a result of it. So I think that's all from our side. This is a short introduction to our partnership, and we will keep on contributing to the knowledge potential in this country. Okay, with all your blessings and with NSE by our side.
Thank you so much, Sanjay ji. This is a wonderful initiative. We are very privileged to be partner to it. NSE, as you know, is the largest stock exchange in the country and the largest derivative exchange worldwide. For last 26 years, we have considered ourselves to be a prosperity exchange. Our mission is to bring prosperity to the citizens of the country and also create a new generation of investors and intermediaries. I think this partnership to bring in financial education, both for personal growth and also for the benefit of community, is a wonderful step. We would love to keep bringing new ideas, and I'm very happy that our participants on the call today are looking at BFSI space as a future. So please continue to be interested in this. This is a wonderful space. India has an amazing story going forward, and I think the younger community, the people who are on this call today, the students and young professionals are the one who are driving this future. So I am personally very happy. I wish I had this opportunity 30 years back. I would have really made a lot of difference. So I'm very excited that everybody on the call today is looking at the future with a lot of opportunity and prospect. I'm very happy to be part of the future success in this journey. Thank you, Sanjay bhai, for this collaboration.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.